Hey guys, for this evening I have prepared two projects that are kind of really retro. I think you're gonna enjoy each one of them. I'm Lisa, this is NFT Rex. Let's go. Okay, so you may like the guy or you may not. It's all about you, but this guy was and still is kind of big. I mean, it is of course Sylvester Stallone, and he has 2.9 million followers on Twitter, so still kind of big. And he decided to start his own NFT project. I don't mean to be a bummer, but so far those kind of celebrity started projects didn't do that well. I was not impressed, and this one doesn't seem to differ. There are only 4.3k followers on Twitter. It all started at this video on April 2nd, so just a couple of days ago, and this is 18th of March, the first tweet. So not getting that much traction yet, but it doesn't have to mean anything. It will go far. Let's see what else they have to offer. Okay, so allow list. So yes, I have done it, and I suggest you do it as well. Why not? And you can visit the page, and over here you just connect your wallet and everything and follow Twitter, Discord, and you're all set. And Discord is luckily still open for everyone. And I'd like to point out that Stallone he's really organically, genuinely involved in all of this that is going on with this project. So yeah, that might be the game changer. Of course, they do have an Instagram account. Once again, not very impressive. 649 followers. What about the NFTs? Okay, they're looking pretty cool. Like, pretty good, you know what I mean? Okay, they have a roadmap, sky list, how to welcome to Planet Sky. Get Sly listed. They are a limited edition series of 9,997 NFTs. Okay, a really kind of unique number. Never seen this number before. Well, let's round it up to 10k. And they are curated by Stallone himself. And it's a community that will provide events, benefits, and opportunities for everyone. I cannot wait. Okay, this is also kind of unique. So roadmap, when you click it, first thing you see is meet Sly for dinner. Okay, so would you like to have dinner with him? I'd definitely love that opportunity. So you are invited to this exclusive Ultimate Stallone Experience dinner and after party happening in 2022. After party too, okay. That's gonna be wild. And the roadmap Planet Sly is launched. Sly guys are born punching the Ethereum blockchain in the face. Okay, it is about that, a bit of comic violence that all of his movies, as far as I know, include some kind of violence. Official OpenSea launch and round 4 real life events. Okay, once again, I must emphasize Stallone is really personally involved in the project. Round 5, the merge. Round 6, bringing Sly guys to life. Okay, so it seems to bring Sly guys to comics, games, animation, and maybe even on screens as Sly guys conquer the metaverse. And yes, of course, they do have a Discord, and there are total members 6.38k. So once again, not impressive, but given time, this could go big. Why not? Okay, so how to get a Sly listed? So just head over to #heart Sly Love channel. Just be active in the community as always. Support the community, be important part of it, and a Sly list would almost be guaranteed here. And will this be a good flip? Nobody can say, but definitely worth looking into. This one could go big, especially because of his personal commitment. So keep your eyes out, guys. Okay, project number 2, Phantom Network. And there are already 250,000 followers. So this one is just gonna... So it is the underbelly of Web3. Very nice. Okay. Nice. Okay, so this is absolutely impressive. I don't know how to call it. Welcome to the show of a puppet. Dance puppets in this course of chaos. Okay, they are celebrating 200k followers on Twitter, as they should. Okay, this kind of looks like manga. So I do not have any inside information, but I guess there would be a manga behind it. And I cannot wait for it. Look at this. This really, I don't know, leaves me in awe every single time. This is what I want to see. Cyberpunky? Yes. And 312,000 views. Get your whitelist and hold it, my suggestion, or just do anything. Secondary markets are also a possibility here that you should definitely consider. As you may have noticed, I have almost like a fetish to just see the first tweet and how much time did it take them to get to those 250,000 followers December 30th. So it's been full 3 months. I'm just kind of stunned by the project and I have such huge hopes for it. And they do have a website which looks so freaking sick. How to get a whitelist. Number one, they are having collaborations with many prominent projects. The likes of Tasty Bones is one of them. So make sure to click that little bell on Twitter and you may be the lucky one to get a whitelist. So Discord is currently invite only. So if you can get that invite, that would be really nice. Okay, so these two projects are quite different from one another, but the only thing they have in common is that kind of retro vibe. Tell me what you think. Comments down below, please. If you enjoyed the video, if you found it helpful, like, subscribe. Thank you very much. May the odds be in your favor.